What's up guys, welcome back to the 5th episode of the Road to $5,000 challenge, and today is going to be a good day. So I'm starting off with the investment sheet. Our portfolio in stocks and crypto did really well this last month, so I want to update the stocks and crypto first. Let's get into it. So let me open up eToro, and as you can see, our portfolio is worth $442. It did really good since the last time we deposited some money. So as you can see, we went all the way up to $442 since the last time we bought. So let's see which one of our stocks did good. As you might have seen in our Discord or Instagram, Tesla and Nvidia did really well. As you can see in the bottom of our screen, we are over $117 in profit, so that's looking really good for the 4 months we've been doing this. So we're happy with that. So let's put these numbers into the investment sheet and let's see how it is looking. Green. So let's go over to our crypto and see what it did. In this episode we are going to invest the full 150 euros into crypto because all the stocks did really well last month, so there's no point in investing in them now. We'll just wait for a pullback and make sure we have a better position than buying right now after everything pumped like 20, 30, 40%. So we are buying some altcoins in this episode. But let's see our Bitcoin. 15274 Bitcoin. Let's go. So the total value of our portfolio is over $809. The profit slash loss is a total of almost $170. Our ROI is 26%. We still need to invest the $150 we have in our Binance account, so the total portfolio value will almost be $1,000. That is around 20% of the challenge completed. We're at $1,000 almost, and we want to get the to the $5,000 mark. So let's see which cryptos we are going to buy. So the coins we are going to buy: AVAX, USDT from Binance. Not the best place to buy, but for the sake of the series we are going to do this, of course. Put 2 AVAX, buy. The next coin we are going to buy was Ethereum Classic, USDT on Binance. Strong downwards move, also running into some resistance. Also not the best place to buy, but for the sake of the series, of course, we'll buy 2 Ethereum Classic, buy. And the last coin we are going to buy is Dogecoin. The rest of the money we have available, put it in Doge. I think that's a bit much, so we'll split it up into Doge, USDT, put half, $32. Yes, buy Doge. So the last coin we are going to buy is Phantom USDT. Also had a nice run to over 200% from the low in January, but we are still going to buy for the sake of this series. If you are doing this yourself, I don't recommend buying like we are doing right here. I recommend doing some research before you get in. Maybe wait for something like a retest of this high resistance. As you can see, resistance. If you are doing this yourself, I suggest you just wait a little bit longer for buying. But of course, for the sake of the series, we'll just buy. We have created our orders. They have not yet been filled, so in next month's episode we'll see how our 4 altcoins have done over the previous month, and we'll update the investment sheet again and we'll buy some stocks. If they have had a pullback or something, we'll buy some stocks again. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.